How's it going? I'm here for day 44 of Fergus Tune today. I'm going to play a tune on the mandolin today for a bit of a change. I'm going to play another O'Neill's random tune. I'm quite enjoying just picking up O'Neill's, flicking through it and stopping at the tune, and then learning that tune. So this one, I have the mandolin close by me today. So this one is called, what's it called? It's called Smoky House. Give it a go. See you tomorrow for day 45.